Hello guys, we got the Huawei Band 7. Okay, let's open it up. Now let's pull it up. Here's the band. Now let's see. Let's put this here and now let's open. What does it have? Maybe we have the charger and the manual. Let's open it up and let's see what does it have. Okay, it has the cable and there's manuals. Okay, the second thing, let's turn it on. I think it's on. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's great. Okay, guys, bye.